What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me. We got a 10-minute weighted cardio, okay? So what you're gonna need is you're gonna just grab a pair of hand weights here, okay? Light weights, light dumbbells, whatever you want, alright? Alright, here we go. Sit it on back, nice and easy, okay? Jab it on out, squat position, feet shoulder width. Knees are bending forward, back is nice and tall. Hold right here, okay? So we have weights in our hands this whole time, alright? We got 10 minutes, 2 rounds of 5 exercises, okay? Alright, nice and easy. Jab it on out, rotating those palms. Quads are working, back is nice and tall, chest open to the front. Keep punching, alright? Exhale that breath every time you jab on out. Alright, so it's cardio, 10 minutes, non-stop, alright? Do what you can. And if anytime the exercise gets too hard for you, the weights start feeling too heavy, you're losing that form, drop it and do it without any weights, okay? You always have that option, alright? We want to have that form, but we want to challenge ourselves, okay? Alright, nice and easy. Keep it going. Alright, next exercise, press right here. Okay? Elbows 90. Open up those feet. Jack those feet up. Press jacks with the weights. Good. Bouncing on those toes. Heels are off the ground. Exhale as you press on up. Keep it working. Again, the weights are getting too heavy for you, okay? If they're too heavy, you feel it and the shoulders are ready, drop it to a lighter set if you have a pair. Alright? Again, I want you challenging yourselves, but I don't want you to injure yourself. I want you to keep that good form. I want you to do what you can. Great job, everybody. Keep it going. Get that heart rate going. Breathing going. Pushing that body. 10 more seconds. We're going right into some jump squats. Again, this is quick. It's only 10 minutes. Alright, jump squats. Here we go. Feet shoulder width. Bend it back and up. Nice and easy. Alright. Low impact. No jump required. Just lift up those heels. Stand up nice and tall, okay? Weights are just adding a little extra challenge for you guys. Alright, a little bit plyo here with the jump in. Good. Great job. Keep going. Reach that bottom back. 30 seconds left. Okay, this is round 1. 5 exercises. 2 rounds, 10 minutes. Stay with me. Good. And when you jump in, land softly. Alright? Good. Exhale that breath as you jump on up. Great job. Alright, next up we just got some quick jabs. Okay? Similar to the squats. Jabs earlier. Alright. On up. Feet shoulder. Right here. Okay? Alright, we're gonna add in some movement. Alright, you're gonna turn to the side. Keep punching. Punch all the way out, all the way in. Back to the front. Good. Exhale that breath. Every single punch out. Again, rotating the palm out all the way back into the chest. To the other side. Good. Again, keep a soft bend in those knees. Alright. Keep that back tall. Back to the front. Great job, everybody. Keep going. One more move. And then we're going to repeat this whole round here, okay? And that's the second round for this workout. Keep breathing. Burning those calories. Getting that sweat dripping. Getting that heart rate going. Alright, we got some knees. Nice and easy. Swing those arms down. Swing them up. Exhale that breath. Bring that knee up nice and high. Get that foot up off the ground. Swing those arms. Good. Keep going. Great job, everybody. You got this, okay? Again, the weights start feeling too heavy for you. Drop it to a lighter set if you have it. Or just drop the weights completely and do the workout without any weights. 30 seconds. Alright, then we're going back into those squat jabs. Alright, again, no break in between. Do what you can. It's all about pushing yourselves, staying committed, alright? keep that balance. Keep that core engaged. Keep moving. Get that knee up. Don't let that knee drop. All right, all the way up, all the way back down. All right, here we go. Squat jacks one more time. Sit in the back, right here. Good. How we doing, everybody? It's okay to grunt if you need to. Power through it. Dig down inside of you, okay? Find that motivation. All right. We're working for those results here. Okay, it's all about growth. Growing mentally and physically. All right. Burning those calories. Doing what you can. Working hard. 30 seconds. Then go back and press jacks, okay? Nice job. Control those weights. All right. Take care of those shoulders though, again. All right, be mindful of your body. Feel what's working. Feel what feels awkward, okay? And if something's not feeling right, just stop, take a breather, drop the weights, then get right back in with me, okay? All right, press jacks, here we go, last ones. Good, bouncing on those toes, weights up. Good. Again, challenging yourselves here. Okay, you're with me, I'm with you. We got this. Start digging down deep inside of you. Find that motivation. Bring it on out. Great. Good job. Keep it going. Bouncing on those toes. Heels are off the ground. Getting those hands up still. Working cardio. Working shoulders. Okay? Nice and quick. 15 seconds. We're picking on up. A little bit faster. Awesome job. Keep it going. Keep breathing. Jump squats. Here we go. Feet shoulder width. Bring it back. Hand up. Okay, low impact. No jump required. That's okay. Alright, just lifting up those heels. Okay? Or you're here. Side view. Feet shoulder width. Drop that bottom back. Back is nice and tall still. Alright, land softly as you land down on the ground, okay? 30 seconds. Good job. Almost there. Okay, we got 2 more moves after this. Can you power through it? You got this. I know you can. Believe in yourself. Good job. Feel those legs working. Breathing heavy. So your sweat dripping. All right. You got this. All right. Hands up. Jabs. Feet shoulder width apart. A little bit wider. That's okay. Soft bend in those knees. Punch it on out. Fast jabs here. Okay. I want you to go a little bit faster than you did earlier. All right. In that first round. Yeah, it's all about growth here. You're growing throughout this workout. Okay. Good. Punch it out, punch it out, punch. Keep that core engaged. Feet flat on the ground. Punch straight ahead, turn to the side here. Keep breathing. Punch like you mean it. Okay. Target is right in front of you. Every single time you extend those hands out, you're hitting that target. Okay. Back to the front. Back to the other side. Keep going. Last ones here. Almost there. Got those knees coming up. Last move. 10 minutes is almost there. Knees right here. Get those knees up. Swing those arms. Work that body. Working that cardio. Working the endurance. Alright, stay strong. Finish strong. Alright, owe it to yourself there, okay? You got this. Great job. Good. Exhale that breath. Get that knee up nice and high. Can you get up higher? Alright. Keeping that balance. Swinging those arms. 30 seconds. A little bit faster here, alright? Finish strong. Keep it going. Whew. Nice job, everybody. Good. Good. You should be out of breath. Alright. Heart rate's going. sweat's dripping. You're pushing that body 10 seconds. Nice job, everybody. Good, almost there. And time. Alright, great job, everybody. Put those weights to the side here. Shake those arms out. Shake those legs out, alright? Great job. How are we feeling? Inhale through the nose. Exhale through that mouth. Alright, roll those shoulders back. Relax them. Great job today. Quick 10 minutes. Weighted cardio. Alright? Good. Rotate to the front. Nice and controlled. Good. Alright, going and pulling that right foot, right quad stretch. Pull that foot towards your bottom. Knee towards the ground here. Hold that balance. Back is tall, core is engaged. Keep it breathing, keep slowing it down. Switch sides, other foot up. Quad stretch here. Balancing, still breathing, still cooling it on down, okay? Bringing the whole body down. You used to 10 minutes of straight cardio, alright? That's an awesome job. Alright, bring it down. Arms over. Just to relax the upper body here. Swing them, alternating which arm goes on top. Alright, bring those arms down. Inhale, bring those arms up. Exhale, bring those arms down. One more time, inhale. Exhale. Give yourselves a hand. Great job, everybody. Thank you for joining me in that 10-minute cardio workout, alright? Wipe some sweat, grab some water. If you got more, and you check out my other workout videos. Alright, I got plenty for you to choose from. Alright, again, stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll see you next time.